One story a day for early readers. Story 3. A Little Artist. Irene is only 3 years old, but to her parents, she is already a little artist. At their home, her paintings cover the walls of all the rooms, even the bathroom. A child's creativity is beyond your imagination, her mom always says, and she can be highly productive, too. One time, her mother counted all of Irene's drawings. Irene had used nearly 500 sheets of paper in just 1 month. Most of her drawings are of animals, birds, rabbits, turtles, and even raccoons. All the animals in her paintings are in groups of 3, a father, a mother, and a baby. That's how it is in little Irene's world.
To review,